everyone, good morning. This is me, Manya Gupta, your tech host. Bulletin of the day starts with Nvidia and MediaTek, which teams up to build ARM-based gaming laptops. Microsoft Bing now offers free AI video generator powered by Sora. OpenAI's vision ChatGPT as a personalized super assistant. Samsung eyes Perplexity AI integration. Google launches AI Edge Gallery, run AI models locally. Elon Musk's short-lived government role ends amid chaos and controversy. And finally about Apple, which fights back against EU's DMA, calls interoperability demands unreasonable. So in yesterday's quiz, we asked you what is the language used for making webs. The answer is HTML. Now it's time for a daily tech question. Here's the one today. What is the voice assistant on Amazon devices? Confident you got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below. Tune into tomorrow's bulletin to find out if you nailed it. Starting with a news section, in a bold move that could reshape the future of gaming laptops, Nvidia is collaborating with MediaTek to develop a new line of ARM-based PC chips, with the first laptops expected to debut under the Alienware brand in 2026. Now, these devices will feature a powerful combination of MediaTek CPUs and Nvidia's Blackwell GPU architecture. This new chip, often described as an accelerated processing unit, will be optimized for AI, gaming, and high-performance computing. By targeting Windows on ARM laptops, Nvidia and MediaTek aim to disrupt a market currently dominated by Intel and AMD. Their goal is to deliver ultra-efficient, lightweight devices that don't compromise on graphics or performance. Now, the collaboration signals Nvidia's entry in the ARM CPU market, a space it has long eyed but hadn't formally entered. MediaTek, already a leader in mobile SoCs, brings low-power design expertise, while Nvidia brings unmatched GPU firepower. So together, their partnership could challenge even Apple's M-series chips. Next, we have Microsoft, which has just supercharged Bing by introducing a free AI video generator tool powered by Sora, an advanced model developed by OpenAI. Now, the new feature enables users to create high-quality videos simply by typing a prompt, turning a few lines of text into a cinematic animated content in a matter of minutes. This move signals Microsoft's increasing push into AI-powered creative tools. The Sora model, known for its ability to simulate realistic motion and scenes, is now available directly within Bing for select users. It allows everything from explainer videos and digital ads to educational animations and social media content, all with zero editing experience. Now, the tool is designed with an intuitive user interface, making it accessible to teachers, marketers, content creators, even casual users looking to experiment with AI. By integrating this feature into Bing, Microsoft is not only enhancing the platform's utility, but it is also drawing users away from competitors like Google, which are still refining their AI video offerings. It's a big leap in democratizing content creation and a glimpse into the near future, where anyone can be a video creator just by using imagination. Let's talk about OpenAI, which is gearing up to redefine the personal assistant experience by turning ChatGPT into a fully personalized, intelligent, and proactive digital assistant by mid-2025. Now, this assistant could be able to autonomously book flights, summarize complex research, plan your day, help you code, and even carry out multi-step tasks without needing step-by-step prompting. The roadmap mentions agentic behavior, essentially giving ChatGPT the capability to act on your behalf using real-time data and preference, with deep learning used with decision-making. So to make this vision a reality, OpenAI is developing its own custom search index and improving multi-model capabilities through its newer O3 model. There's also emphasis on T-shaped functionality, broad knowledge for everyday queries, combined with deep expertise in specific domains like law, medicine, or education. So with these developments, OpenAI is targeting deep integration with smartphones, web platforms, even smart home devices, potentially making ChatGPT a direct rival to Apple's Siri and Google Assistant. If successful, this would mark a major shift in how people interact with AI in their everyday life. Next, we have Samsung, which is reportedly in advanced talks with AI search startup Perplexity to preload its AI-powered tools into future Galaxy devices. This potential partnership, first reported by The Information, represents a bold shift in the Samsung strategy, signaling its intention to reduce reliance on Google's Gemini AI and gain more control over the AI experience on its smartphones. Perplexity offers a fast, user-friendly AI search assistant that generates instant conversational answers using real-time web data, rather than just static search results. Samsung may embed this AI directly into Samsung Internet browser or even replace its default Bixby assistant with a Perplexity enhanced experience. Stakes are high. Samsung currently earns billions through the deal with Google, which ensures Gemini AI gets default placement on Samsung phones. However, Samsung sees a long-term value in building its own AI-first ecosystem, especially as consumer interest in AI-native smartphones heats up now. So if this partnership materializes, it will mark one of the most significant shakeups in the mobile AI landscape in years coming. Moving on, Google is empowering Android users developers with a new tool called the AI Edge Gallery, a groundbreaking app which allows you to run AI models directly on your device without any cloud connection. Launched quietly through the Google Play Store, this app is a major step forward in privacy-first, low-latency AI processing. Users can now load pre-trained TensorFlow Lite and MediaPipe models into app enabling functionalities like object detection, face landmark tracking, pose estimation, image classification. So whether you are building a fitness app which tracks your movement or a custom photo app which recognizes scenes, AI Edge Gallery is a plug-and-play solution. For developers, this is a dream tool, providing a sandbox-like interface to test and deploy AI models with ease. It also comes with AI integration features for Android Studio, making it easier to bring locally run AI into mainstream mobile apps. Now, the local model execution means no data is sent to the cloud, which boosts privacy, reduces the need for internet access. As AI becomes more integral to daily app experiences, Google's push for this on-device computing gives Android a solid edge in both performance and trust. Now, this is a clear message. Future of AI on mobile is fast, secure, and right in your pocket. We have Elon Musk's worldwide 4-month stint leading the US Department of Government Efficiency, nicknamed DOGE, which is DOGE, has officially come to an end, leaving behind a trail of controversy, confusion, questionable accounting. Appointed as a part of high-profile push for public sector reform, Musk claimed he saved taxpayers over $175 billion during his tenure. However, integral audits suggest that real savings were minimal, potentially negated by legal and logistical codes. So while Musk says his time at DOG sparked vital changes and increased public awareness of government efficiencies, most analysts see his departure as a cautionary tale. His aggressive tactics alienated allies and frustrated civil servants, leading to clashes with multiple agencies. Even Donald Trump reportedly asked aides whether Musk's promises were BS, according to People's Magazine Scoop. So despite this drama, Musk insists he planted the seeds of a leaner, faster government. Only time will tell if these seeds take root or in a political soil. Apple is taking a strong stand against the European Union's Digital Markets Act, arguing that blocks' demand are not just disruptive but fundamentally unfair. The core of Apple's complaint lies in EU's insistence that Apple must allow rival app stores and services to interoperate more freely with iOS, its tightly controlled mobile ecosystem. Apple claims that opening up to the third-party payment platforms and alternate app distribution methods, this will undermine privacy and security of the devices. The tech giant argues that such demands expose users to potential data breaches and malware while giving its competitors some unfair access to the infrastructure it built from the ground. EU, on the other hand, maintains that the DMA is essential to curb monopolistic behavior and foster competition. So as legal proceedings unfold, the tech industry is closely watching all this because the outcome could redefine how ecosystems like iOS and Android they are allowed to function in the European market. But this was about today's bulletin. I'll again meet you tomorrow. Till then, stay safe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe IT Voice for all your tech updates.